Let's make a refreshing summer sauce, tzatziki. First, peel one medium cucumber, about 100 grams, and grate it finely on a medium or small grater. Now squeeze out all excess water. This is the secret to keeping your dip creamy. To the squeezed cucumber, add 150 grams of Greek yogurt. Finally, grate one fresh garlic clove right on top. Pour in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can also use fresh lemon juice instead. And 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Seasoning with a pinch of pepper mix is optional, but a pinch of salt is mandatory. Now, mix everything thoroughly until perfectly smooth. It's incredibly creamy and perfect for either meat or vegetables, both grilled or fresh. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? It's perfect time to finely chop and add a handful of fresh dill. And don't forget to chill before serving, and enjoy your fresh tzatziki.